everybody, guess what? My kids just graduated from their school and now I'm going to give them a surprise. Congratulations! You are moving on to 2nd grade. Ready for your prize? Okay, here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Here you go. Go ahead and put it on. You gotta wear it right your neck. Yeah. Put it on, Soraya.
I don't know how to put it on.
You're just supposed to put it behind your neck like this. Ready? Here. Like that. Let go. Let go. Look at that. Congratulations. What do you think? Are you happy that you're graduating?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was 1st grade?
Bad.
It was bad? Do you want to give any advice to the kids that are going to go to 1st grade?
That is boring.
What? Okay, now it's time to see Helona. She's graduating from 5th grade. What's it like? Are you happy that you're graduating from 5th grade?
Yes.
Is there any advice you want to tell people that are going to 5th grade?
No.
No? Did you like your experience in 5th grade?
No, 5th grade sucks.
So,
I made no friends at all.
Here
Anyways,
is.
I didn't want to make any because
Here is your present.
Wow, it says 2020, the worst year.
That's a pretty good. But you know what? One good thing about the year is that we're alive and we're together. Besides all the crazy stuff that happened.
I know. Wait, what does this say? Oh, class.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. Wait, did you make these?
No, I had a friend help me.
Oh.
I had to pay her.
Oh. Okay.
Here's Vincent. He completed his 1st year of high school. Can you believe it, guys? He's going to go on to 10th grade. And Vincent, what do you want to tell someone that's going to 9th grade? Is it good or bad or anything?
It's just the same as middle school.
It's just the same as middle school? There was nothing different? No? Okay, well, here's your present. Here you go.
What does this even say? Oh.
Is that nice?
Yes, it's very nice. Thank you.
Alana says that it has to say class of 2020. She's saying 2020 is the worst year.
Well, I don't. There's only one mistake. Why does it say it's like upside down?
You gotta stand up. Yeah. Ready? There it goes.
I guess that makes more sense.
Okay. You did it! Thanks for watching, everybody, and congratulations if you graduated.
Bye.
Bye.